Welcome to the brand new 2024 GMC Terrain AT4 in ebony twilight metallic. This SUV is powered by a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Terrain, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable mirrors, heads-up display controls, electronic parking brake, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, button-activated shifter, all-wheel drive selector is in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Terrain, starting off with the 17-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4 badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4 badge in the grille as well, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around, roof rails are installed. Around the back of the vehicle, we have the Terrain, GMC, and AT4 badging all on the hatch. Heading back inside the Terrain, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible in a 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the SUV, and here in the center console we have 2 USB charging ports and a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 GMC Terrain AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.